Shit, goes up there. I see one. He's looking for me. He's looking for me on the other side.
What?
He's looking for me on the other side of the grill.
He's out.
Yeah, are you hit?
Oh, right up my nose.
Watch out, behind him. My fault, Kay. Here, Jake. I'm gonna give you cover fire and proceed cautiously up the fucking stairs, okay? What? Give me cover fire, dude. Give me cover fire. I'm loaded. He can still hit me with a lucky shot. Alright. Ready?
Stay here. Got an ammo.
So, reload.
I thought you were leaving.